Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 15 Active and Passive Voice. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here in this video we'll discuss from G. So change the sentences from passive to active. Insert the subject where necessary. So here the sentence is already written in passive, you have to change into active. The bone was being chewed by the dog. This is written in passive voice. That means the sentence is starts from the object, the bone, and here the agent by the dog. Okay, and here the tense is used past progressive. Okay, so here by the agent it will become the subject in the active voice. The dog, right? The dog. So here past progressive is used. The dog was chewing the bone, right? Then next question here. The earthquake was followed by a tsunami. So here the tense is used past, simple past was followed, and here the object. Yes, so this is a passive voice, and the sentence starts with object, the earthquake, and agent here by a tsunami. So here you have to write a tsunami. Okay, followed the earthquake. Clear? Then next question here. We will be congratulated by everyone. So here tense is used future, simple future. Will be congratulated, and here we will be congratulated by everyone. That means agent by everyone. So here it will become subject in the active voice. Everyone. Okay, everyone, right? Will congratulate us. Okay, everyone will congratulate us. Then next here, by whom are you taught to swim? So here the tense is used simple past, where you taught to swim. Who? Okay, so you have to write here who taught you. Who taught you to swim? Then use question mark. Clear? Then next question. Money was owed to him by Akash. So here agent, by plus agent. Okay, so here it will become subject, Akash. So here sentence. Yes, the tense is used simple past, was owed. Akash owed, right, him money. Clear? Then next question here. This pickle was made by my grandmother. So here tense is used simple past, and the sentence as this is active voice. So here the object this pickle, so it will become okay, object in the active voice. So here my grandmother. Okay, my grandmother. So here simple past tense is used. My grandmother made this pickle. Okay, my grandmother made this pickle. Clear? Then next one here. The details are to be remembered. So here this is agentless passive. Agentless passive. And tense is used simple present, and object the details. So here you have to write, okay, the details are to be remembered. You are, okay, to remember. You are to remember all the details. You are to remember the details. You are to remember the details. Its passive will be the details are to be remembered. Okay. Then next question here. My course will have been completed by December. So, this is also agentless passive, and tense future perfect will have been completed. So here you need to add the subject. I, as you know here my course, that means here possessive adjective my. So here you have to write I will have completed. Okay, I will have completed, yes, my course by December. Clear? So its passive will be my course will have been completed by December. Okay, I will have completed my course by December. This is one active. Then next question here. A new photo sharing app was developed by my sister Lalia. You know here the tense is written, simple past, was developed, and agent by my sister Sela, and object a new photo sharing app. Okay, so here my sister Lalia, right, developed, simple past, developed, developed a new photo sharing app. Clear? Then next question here, when will your room be clear? This is here object your room, and here simple future is used. So here you have to write when will you right clear your room, clear your room. So here here your is mentioned, so you have to add the subject you. When will you clear your room? Okay, its passive will be when will your room be cleaned. Clear? Then next question here, has the mail been delivered by mailman? By the mailman. So here the tense is used to present perfect. Has the mail been delivered? Okay, so here the object is the mail. So you have to write here, okay, the first. Okay, so if you want to, you can also follow the steps. First you have to change into, okay, has the mail been delivered by the mailman. So you can write here the mailman, okay, has delivered, right, the mail. So as you know here the passive is written in SNO, so its active will be written in SNO. Has, just you have to use has in front of the sentence. Has the mailman delivered the letter? Clear? Has the mailman delivered the letter, okay, or the mail? Clear? Then next question here, will the rule be changed by the committee? So here the object, the rule, and by the agent, it will become the subject in the active voice. The committee, okay, will change the rule. So as you know here the question is given in active voice, in SNO format. So you have to also write the active voice in SNO. So you have to use will at the beginning. Will the committee change the rules? Okay, will the committee change the rule? Clear? Just you have to question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Then next question here, many interesting stories about the monuments history were told to us by the guide. So here object, many interesting stories about the monuments history. Okay, so here by the agent, by the guide. So here the guide, okay, yes, so here which tense is used? Simple past, we are told. The guide told, right, us, right, many interesting stories about, okay, the monuments history. Clear? The guide told us many interesting stories about the monuments history. Then next here, the roads have been cleared by the authorities in an effort to reduce traffic jams. So here object the roads, and here agent by plus yes by the agent. the authorities, so it will become subject in the active voice. The authorities, right? The authorities. So which tense is used? Present perfect. Authorities have, yes, cleared the roads in an effort to reduce the traffic jams. Okay, clear? The authorities have cleared the roads in an effort to reduce the traffic jams. Then next question here. The cat was almost run over by the speeding cars before it was saved by Hina. Right? So here the object, here the by plus Hina, by the agent. So here up to the sentence will remain okay, unchanged up to before. You have to write the cat was almost run over. Okay, you have to write the same sentence here. Before Hina saved it. Hina saved it. Okay. So here you have to write the cat was almost run over by speeding cars before Hina saved it. Clear? Then next here, change the following. Let's write, change the following sentences from active to passive. Once with the direct object and then with the indirect object. So here she sent me a bucket. So here me is indirect object and a bucket is direct object. Okay, so its passive can be written in two ways. The first one you have to write, okay, a bucket, right, was, as you know, this is simple past sent. A bucket was sent to me by her. This is using, yes, direct object. Then indirect, me. I was sent a bucket, right, by her. Clear? Here the answer. A bucket was sent to me by her. I was sent a bucket by her. Then next question here. My father bought my brother a laptop. So there are two object. First direct here a laptop and indirect object my brother. So here tense is used to simple past. So here its passive can be represented in two ways. Okay, so here you have to write a laptop was bought for my my brother by my father, or you can also write my brother was bought a laptop by my father. Clear? So this is a ditransitive verb. But here this is known as a ditransitive, as it has two objects, direct object and indirect object. Then next here, they paid her many compliments. So here, yes, paid a ditransitive verb, and here two objects are there, many compliments direct object, or indirect object. Okay, so here you have to write many compliments, as this is simple past. So many compliments were paid to her by them, or she was paid many compliments by them. So first using the direct object and second using the indirect object. Okay. Then next question here. The teacher gave the question papers to the students. So there are two objects. First direct object the question papers, and indirect object, yes, the students. So here the tense simple past, gave. So here you have to write the question papers were given to the students by the teacher, or you can also write the students were given the question papers by the teacher. First using the direct object and second using the indirect object. Okay. Then next question here. My sister brings me chocolates every Sunday. So here two object. Me indirect object, and chocolates direct object. So direct indirect object. Direct object non-living things. Okay, non-living. And indirect object living things. Okay. To know the direct object, we need to ask the question what to the verb, and to know the indirect object, we need to ask the question whom. Right? So here my sister brings. Yes, for brings for whom, for me. So you know here me is indirect object. Brought what? So here brought what? Chocolates. So chocolates, you know, direct object. Clear? And you know here the tense is used simple present, brings. So here you have to write chocolates were bought for me by my sister every Sunday, or I am brought chocolates by my sister every Sunday. The first using the direct object and second using the indirect object. Okay. Then next question here, my mother cooked a delicious meal for all my friends. So you know here there are two objects. Okay, a delicious meal, this is direct object. For you know all my friends, this is you know indirect object, and tense is used simple past. So here you have to write a delicious meal was cooked for all my friends by my mother. My friends were all cooked a delicious meal by my mother. First using a direct object and second using indirect object. Okay. Then next here, Radhika gave the train tickets to her teacher. So you know here the tense is simple past, and direct object the train tickets, and indirect object her teacher. Okay. So here the train tickets were given to her teacher by Radhika. Then next her teacher was given the train tickets, okay, by Radhika. Yeah. So first you know using the direct object and second using the indirect object. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.